Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on disabling Bixby on your Samsung Galaxy. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. This tutorial will only work for phones that don't have a dedicated Bixby button, so newer Androids such as the Note 10 and newer. If you have an older Android with a dedicated Bixby button, then you can switch off the Hey Bixby feature as I show in the second part of the video, but not switch off the button as I show in the first part. The first thing I will show you how to do is stop your side button from opening Bixby. Open up the Settings app on your phone. In Settings, scroll down to and tap on Advanced Features. In Advanced Features, tap Side Key. By default, the press and hold of the side key will be set to wake Bixby, which can be very annoying if you want to turn off your phone. Under Press and Hold, tap Power Off menu. Now when you hold down on the side button, it will open up the Power Off menu instead of waking Bixby. You can then tap Power Off to switch your phone off. If you do use Bixby sometimes and want to use the side button to open it, you have the option at the top to open Bixby with a double press of the side button. But to disable Bixby completely, set the double press to Quick Launch Camera, which is quite handy, or you can also set it to open an app of your choice, which can be useful too. You also have the option to disable the double press altogether, so that it does nothing. To do that, tap the toggle to the right of double press to switch it off. Double check that both Open Bixby and Wake Bixby options are not selected, and then go back to the main Settings menu. In Settings, tap Apps. Scroll down the apps to Bixby Voice and tap it to open the settings. Tap Bixby Voice Settings. Switch off the toggle to the right of Voice Wake Up, then make sure it says Off below Voice Wake Up. Now when you say Hey Bixby, or anything that sounds remotely like Hey Bixby, Bixby will no longer wake up. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Samsung tips and tricks.